Hello friends and my dear students. Today I am going to teach you a spoken class. In spoken class आज मैं कुछ बच्चों को इस स्टेज पे बुलाऊंगा और इस स्टेज के माध्यम से बच्चे वन बाय वन करके अपना अपना एक टॉपिक प्रिपरेशन किए हैं और वो प्रिपरेशन टॉपिक आप लोग के सामने बोलेंगे। तो गाइस मैं चाहूंगा कि आप जब भी टॉपिक फिनिश हो जाए उसके बाद आप ताली जरूर लगाएं। इससे यही होगा कि बच्चों के अंदर में थोड़ा इंकरेजमेंट होगा। तो आर यू रेडी गाइस? यस सर। आप सभी लोग तैयार हैं? यस सर। और इस YouTube के माध्यम से आपसे बहुत सारे बच्चों को इंस्पायरेशन मिलेगा, वो थोड़ा सा आप लोग से भी सीखने को मिलेगा कि कैसे हम लोग अपनी तैयारी करेंगे और YouTube के माध्यम से कैसे बच्चों को भी आपसे सीखने को मिलेगा। तो गाइस रेडी? यस सर। सबसे पहले मैं चाहूंगा कि रवि रोशन आएंगे और अपना टॉपिक जो भी ये प्रिपरेशन किए उस पे टॉपिक बोलेंगे। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल रवि रोशन कुमार, कम ऑन द स्टेज।
Hello friend, this is Ravi Roshan Kumar from class 8 of middle school and I belong to Papu. And now I am going to tell about my topic. My topic is my house. And nowadays I am living on my rent, but my real home is in Patna. And I am telling about my house. My house name is Kuswaha Niwas and it is located in the name of Kuswaha Market. And my house had been built in 1988 and it has been painted white, blue and painted with blue and white color. And my house has a 5 stair. First stair has about 3 rooms. At first room of first stair, my grandfather lives, and second room in of first stairs he keeps his personal goods, and second floors of second room of second floor my grandma's mother and my mother live, and third floor at my father lives, and fourth floor is has not any room. It has a like a hall. It is for guest, and there is a worship house, and fifth floor at my roof, and the views of outside from my roof is very beautiful. And in summer I come at only evening for enjoy the क्या होता है सूर्यास्त का sunset of in summer. That's all.
Next Timpi Kumari.
Hello friends, good evening to all of you. My name is Timpi Kumari. I read in class 7 in Sarvodaya Vidyalaya. I come from Aliyachar. Today my topic is my class teacher. My class teacher name is Sagupta Kasab. She is about 25 years old. She teaches of science and SST. She teaches as very nice. She is beautiful and tall. She comes from Kako. She is quality of movement. She is very nice. She is all quality. She is very educated. All students loves and the students is very intelligent. The student is all and he is teaches us science and SST. That's all.
Next I would like to call Arif Mansoori. Hello friends, my name is Amjadil. I belong to Prabhu. About my topic is my family. There are 9 family members in my family. Firstly, I introduce my father. My first name is Imam Mansoori. He lives in Assam. He is a businessman. He has 5 daughters and 2 sons. His wife's name is Moina Khatun. He is very handsome and very kind. He is about 54 years old. That's all. Next, I would like to call Badr Uddin. Please put your hands together for
Very nice. Good evening to all of you. My name is Badr Uddin from class 9. I am the student of Kanat International School and I am also a student of idolize English classes. Today my topic is the family. I live at Bipur and my family is not a big, my family is a very short and there are only 8 people live in my family. The head of my family name is my father and my father name is Sabiruddin and he is a self-employed person and he is also a kind-hearted man. And second one is my mother. His name is Rukhsana Khatun. She belongs to Bipur. He is also a kind man and I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. My elder brother name is Aminuddin. He did in class 12 and my second elder brother name is Fatihuddin. He reads in class 9 and my sister name is Faida Firdausia. He also reads in class 9. That's all. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call Ravi Kumar. Please put your hands forward.
Hello friends, my name is Ravi Kumar. I am from class 4. I am in class 8. I belong to college. Today my topic name is my family. My family members.
भूल गए कौन नेक्स्ट
Next, I would like to call Suraj Kumar. Please put your hands.
Hello friends, my name is Suraj Kumar. I belong to Mauritius. My father's name is Rahman Khan. He is a businessman and my mother's name is Muslim. She is a housewife. I have 4 siblings. My hobby is playing cricket. Then my topic is my family. There are 7 members in my family. My grandfather's name is Sneha Yadav. He was 8-year-old. He was retired to teacher. He used to Sultan Gopi. He was simple man. He used to read book Ramayana and Mahabharata. He has a good collection of books. He has a 1 son. His name is Uday Kumar Khan. He is 35 years old. He is 35 years old. I love my father very much. He loves me. My father is educated but he lives in house. He lives in house.
Next, I would like to call Akash Kumar. Please put your hands together.
Hello friends, my name is Akash Kumar. I belong to College Academy class 7. My topic is my family. My father's name is Kumar, he is service friend, and my mother is Anil Samaskar. And my 2 brothers and 1 sister. My sister name is Manoj Kumar. She is this class 7. We are 3 and she lives at home. She is with land and long. And my brother name is Praveen Kumar. He reads in class 12. He is about 18 years old. He is healthy and long. And my name is Akash Kumar. I belong to Olachat. I read in class 7 in Brahman School.
Next, I would like to call Simran Kumar. Please put your hands together for Simran.
Hello friends, good evening to all of you. My name is Ravi Kumar. I belong to Olajak. I read in class 8. Today my topic is my class teacher. My class teacher name is Rajiv Lotan sir. He is about 45 years old but he looks at 50 years old. He teaches us mathematics. He is a very sensible teacher. He never beat me. He is a very gentle and handsome teacher. He wears always simple dresses. He loves all students. There are all quality in perfect teacher. That's all.
Next, I would like to call Guddi Kumar. Please put your hands together for Guddi.
Hello friends, good evening. I am here. I read in class 4. I am a student of Harpur. My topic is my class teacher. My class teacher name is Kusmis. She is sensible teacher. She teaches us science and
years old. She is extroverted. She is beautiful. She looks up. She comes to school on the time. That's all.
Next, I would like to call Saurabh Kumar. Please put your hands together for Saurabh Kumar.
Hello friends, my name is Kumar. I am the subject and today my topic is my family. I have 5 members in my family. First, my name is Saurabh Kumar. I belong to Islamjak. I am 14 years old and I like play cricket. And my father name is Brent Kumar. He is a businessman and he is about 24 years old. He is a businessman. He wears simple dress and neat and clean. He lives at Islamjak and mother name is Amrita Devi. She is a housewife. I am totally my mother name is Amrita. She is a housewife. She is about 34 years old. She goes to temple daily and she loves me and so my father and she lives at Islamjak and I have 2 brothers. First brother name is Gaurav Kumar. He is in class 3rd in middle school. He is about 12 years old. He likes play cricket and read. He is a gentleman and intelligent. That's all.
Next, I would like to call Ranjan Kumar. Please put your hands together for Ranjan.
Hello friends, my name is Ranjan Kumar. I belong to Barbega. Today my topic is my family. My father's name is Lala Kumar. He is a businessman. He goes daily office. And my mother name is Kunja Devi. She is housewife. She is very beautiful. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. My first sister name is Ansu Kumari. She reads class in BA Part 1 and my second sister name is Seema Kumari. She reads class 12. My hobbies are playing cricket.
Next, I would like to call Nasir Alam. Please put your hands together for Nasir Alam.
Hello friends, my name is Shabbar Alam. I belong to Paco. I read in class 6 in Kanaka National School. My topic is my school. Kanaka National School is my school. Shakil Ahmed Kaki is the director of this school. Ganesha Begum is the principal of this school. There are about 25 years it has 25 plus. It has 25 room and 5 and 17 classroom. It has a 5 staff room. It has about 12 bathroom in my school. It has one playground. That's all.
Next, I would like to call Nasir. Please put your hands together for Nasir.
डॉट सॉल्व करो कट करो